Welcome to Block 461D, Bukit Batok West Avenue 8, a beautifully designed 4A HDB flat with 3 bedrooms that's perfect for those seeking both comfort and convenience in the heart of Bukit Batok. Hi everyone, my name is Robin Soon from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Located on a high floor, this 1001 square foot home offers not just spacious living, but a serene and peaceful environment with a panoramic view of the park and a tranquil unblocked horizon. Whether you're waking up to the stunning sunrise or enjoying the sunset from the corridor, this home provides the best of both worlds. Step inside and you'll be welcomed by a Scandinavian-inspired minimalist design. Finished with vinyl flooring from Floor Expert, this home is both modern and low maintenance, with a clean and stylish look throughout, except for the service yard and bathrooms, which are functional and practical. The open concept kitchen seamlessly blends with the living and dining spaces, creating an inviting atmosphere that's perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The flat is tucked away on a quiet floor with spacious, well-maintained corridors leading you to your home. The location is ideal for anyone who enjoys a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle, yet is just a short distance to everything you need. Convenience is key, and this home delivers. Just across the road, you'll find a wide range of supermarkets, eateries, and amenities, all easily accessible via the overhead bridge, keeping you cool and dry even on the hottest or rainiest day. You are also well connected by public transport. There are 3 bus stops around the block that are accessible with shelter. Buses to Bukit Gombak MRT are just 1 stop away, and there are direct routes to Bukit Batok West Mall, Jurong Interchange, Tengah, and the Beauty World Downtown Line, making commuting a breeze. Not forgetting there is a JRL MRT station, Tengah Park, that starts operation in 2028, about 6 to 8 minutes walk away. Whether it's daily commute or a weekend outing, everything is within easy reach. You'll also enjoy being part of a warm and welcoming community. The friendly and helpful neighbors make this block an ideal place to live, creating a supportive and pleasant atmosphere. This home offers the perfect balance of serenity, convenience, and style. With its spacious layout, scenic view, and prime location, it truly is a place you can call your own. If you are ready to make this beautiful 3-bedroom 4A HDB flat your next home, contact us to arrange a viewing today. My name is Robin Soon from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Contact me at 900-25801. We look forward to helping you take the next step.